I love hydration on my face, and you've heard that from me so many times now. These ones, I have been saving them just to show these to you. I have gone through boxes and boxes of these. So today's video is a product empties video. I want to talk to you guys about the products that I've absolutely loved, used up, and I'm going to repurchase most definitely again. You might have seen some of these products in my hair care routine and in my best of skincare 2018 video. So let's jump straight in. I'm going to begin with my absolute favorite product of makeup, lipsticks. I love lipsticks. This is an Elizabeth Arden lipstick, raspberry, shade number 48. I have already repurchased it, and you can see this is how much is left. I have eaten up all of it. It's a beautiful berry color. I absolutely love it, and I think it looks fantastic on dark skinned people like me. Yeah, so this is Elizabeth Arden. This is what I'm wearing currently with a little bit of Kim KW mixed in from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the second lipstick that I've totally used up. So this is a trio of 3 lipsticks, mini lipsticks. They are mini celebrity lipstick charms from Charlotte Tilbury. Now there are 3 in these. I have completely used up the red one from this trio. The red one is called Karina's Love. They are this tiny, but surprisingly they had a lot of product in it. I'm again scraping the bottom. It's a beautiful red. I absolutely love it. Both of them quite moisturizing and beautiful colors, and yeah, I really like them on my lips. Now my second favorite thing after lipsticks, absolute favorite, is sunscreen. I love Dr. Dennis Gross's Dark Spot Sun Defense. This is SPF 50. It not only helps protect my face, my skin against the sun rays, but it also helps reverse the sun damage that has already happened, which has happened quite a bit on my face. I have a lot of hyperpigmentation. As you can see, I have finished up 2 of these bottles, which I have kept just to show you guys. I'm on my 3rd bottle right now. I make sure I reapply sunscreen every 2-3 hours, 3 hours most definitely, and this one, like, I go through bottles, as you can see, because I absolutely love it. This is a physical sunscreen, and I love physical sunscreens. Moving on, I love putting makeup on, and that is why it's important to take makeup off. I am usually very good with taking makeup off properly. I do a double cleanse. I first take off my makeup with a makeup remover. This is from Clinique. Take the day off, and as you can see, I have finished it up. So this turns into an oil when I apply it on my face. It starts off as a balm, and it beautifully breaks my makeup down. It doesn't have any fragrance in it, and it is also dermatologically tested. So I absolutely love it, and I have already bought a second one because I can't live without it. I love balms to take my makeup off. That's my first cleanse. On days when I've had really long days and I'm extremely knackered, tired, I just have to go to bed but have to take the makeup off, I use this. I have used this up. These are Johnson's Makeup Be Gone 5-in-1 moisturizing cleansing wipes. I do not like products or wipes that dry out my face. These are very moisturizing. Right now I'm on the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. They are also fantastic, but Johnson's have done a good job as well. Now that was for the face. I love mascara, and these 2 mascaras have been my current favorite since, I want to say, 6 months now. Benefit Roller Lash, it helps curl my lashes beautifully, and Lancome's Monsieur Big, Mr. Big. Lancome's Mr. Big mascara. Now this was a complimentary mascara. There was an event at Debenhams which was organized in Harrow Debenhams, and the sales girl at the Lancome counter asked me if I would volunteer to show to people how the mascara works on the eyes, and I volunteered. So she put it on my eyes and she gifted me this. I was very happy, and I have been hooked onto this since I've got this. So this and this together is my combination. They both are over. I need to go hunt for a new mascara because I can't find Lancome in India, and I'm in Bombay right now, and Benefit. So yeah, I love thick mascaras, long, thick, curly mascaras, and because I love mascaras, I need a good mascara remover. I have finished up this bottle again by Clinique. This is only for lids, lashes and lips, and this does not sting my eyes. Believe me when I say this, a good mascara remover is essential. I have gone through some really rubbish ones, which I'm not going to tell you the names of. They sting your eyes, and I don't know, not a happy experience. This is supremely gentle. This much is left, which I'll finish it in a day or two. This is a beautiful experience. I love it. I just put it on a cotton pad. I keep it on my eyelashes, on my eyes for about 20-30 seconds. I sing a song, dance, and it beautifully takes it off. I've also gone through the travel size version of this. This is a 2-phase makeup remover, so yeah, it's quite gentle. And this favorites when it comes to makeup removing. Now my next favorites, I love hydration on my face, and you've heard that from me so many times now. These ones, I have been saving them just to show these to you. I have gone through boxes and boxes of these. The blue ones are mine, the red ones are my mom's. These are the Sundari Deep Hydration Ayurvedic Sheet Masks from Forest Essentials. Each box contains 3 sheet masks, and I have gone through boxes of these. They are all empty. Just to show you guys, I did one last night. Just to show you guys, this is how it looks. It's a sheet mask. I cut it off from 3 sides. I open it up and I put the mask on my face. I leave it for about half an hour, 1 hour, depends how long you want to keep it. They say you can leave it on for 15-20 minutes and remove the mask, but I keep it for longer, and I love how my skin feels after I use this mask. Absolute value for money. If you use this mask, please let me know in the comments below. So yeah, this is my favorite. I do it every week, at least once a week, like at least. I have just returned from Bhuj, by the way. It was very hot there and my skin was feeling parched. After I came back, I did a good peel and this mask, and my skin is feeling much better now. This is the same Forest Essentials one. Gorgeous age arresting Ayurvedic sheet mask. This is for mature skin. I do this on my mom's face. I do facial to her, and I put the mask on her face, and I do this jade roller for her, which I've talked to you guys about before. And for myself, I use this Nurse Jamie massaging roller when I have the mask on. Beautiful facials at home. Thank you, Forest Essentials. Absolute value for money. Now let's move on to hair products, because I love natural sort of hair products without too many sulfates and parabens in them. This one I had got from Heathrow Airport when I was coming back from London. Maui Moisture. This is my second bottle, and none of it is left. This is the coconut milk shampoo, and it has no mineral oils, no silicones, no SLS, no sulfates, surfactants, no synthetic dyes, no alleys. Oh dear, quite a long list. Basically, it's one of those natural shampoos, and it says made with 100% aloe juice as first ingredient. I read ingredients. I like researching what is going on my face, what is going on my skin and hair. So this one has aloe leaf juice as its first ingredient. Coincidentally, even this mask has aloe leaf extract as its first ingredient. So yeah, and we all know how good aloe is for our skin. So this is done over, and I'm on this currently. I've already got another bottle. This is the Amla Honey Mulethi hair cleanser from Forest Essentials. This much is left. Absolutely beautiful, helps my hair stay very healthy, and I love the fact that this is sulfate free. It's like made of all natural ingredients. Also, I have been on this cleanser. They are like a couple. So I have been on this cleanser and almost going to be over in the next 2-3 washes. I love this. Repeat purchases for sure. This is not sponsored by Forest Essentials, but I have also gone through bottles of coconut oil from Forest Essentials. This much is left, and I've borrowed this from my mom's bathroom because she is also hooked on to it now. I use this for my hair, for moisturizing my body. As I told you, I've come back from Bhuj from a work trip, and my skin and my face and my body was so parched. I did a nice soak in the bath, and then I moisturized my body with this, and it really helped. So yeah, this is cold pressed coconut oil, by the way. Never purchase something that is not cold pressed when it comes to oils. So yeah, this is that. Beautiful, love it. This is something new for me when it comes to the brand. I don't have any other Kama Ayurveda products. This, I bought it when I was at the Bombay airport when I was flying out for work. I had forgotten my hand cream at home, and I love hand creams. I love keeping my hands moisturized. This hand cream is made of pure essential oils, and this is 60 grams. I feel this has been so worth it. It's one of those hand creams that actually works, and I really like it. It is made of 100% organic, cold pressed sweet almond and coconut oils, which, you know, both these oils I love, and they're cold pressed. This has been a really good hand cream. As you can see, I have finished almost most of it, just a little bit left. So yeah, these were my product empties. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have been using any of the products I talked about, please let me know in the comments below. These are some of my favorite products. I love beauty, skincare, makeup. All this is like my territory. And this video I wanted to shoot in English as a follow-up to my skincare and hair care routine video. But the same product empties video, the next edition of it will be in Sindhi language, because I want to kill it in Sindhi language too. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye. Lots of love.